Good morning. A message from the Chief Grain Protector about your sprayer system. Most of you have a sprayer system with a 3 gallon per minute SureFlow Pentair 110 volt electric pump. These pumps, for the most part, have given good service, but they do need maintenance during the off season. You need to take this pump apart, clean it out, and make sure you test it to see if it's operating properly. So in the next month or so, have someone take your pump apart, clean it up, and be ready when wheat or corn or whatever that you're going to be treating will be coming in.